Welcome everyone. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the TRAXXAS Stampede. Stay tuned. Welcome everyone, or shall I say welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do an unboxing of TRAXXAS Stampede. It's a waterproof. I'm pretty sure you guys know all about the TRAXXAS. It's got a 550 Titan 12T 550 brush motors, and it comes with some tools, pins. I'm gonna try to make this a quick unboxing, you guys. And here comes some tools. Here's your Allen wrenches, your tire tool. You got extra pins. You got body for your spacers for your body. I believe these are for your shocks. Come with a little note about TRAXXAS. Attention about your batteries. Another little note inside here. I don't know what this is, but I'll have to read it and check it out. It comes with a thing about your battery, your chargers, your battery, and how to charge it. And come with a warranty register paper, and it tells you everything. Here's a Stampede book about everything about Stampede and TRAXXAS. They come with TRAXXAS stickers. They come with a paper about your chargers, which I am going, like I said, I'm going to get me a wall plug-in charger for it, because the charger I got for it, here it is, it came with it. It plugs into a cigarette lighter. So what I had to do, I had to buy an adapter. And here's the adapter. That's the adapter for it. But I'm going to buy a different charger for it. And here is the transmitter, TRAXXAS transmitter, basic. And here is the TRAXXAS itself. It's a beast, you guys. It's badass. I really like it a lot. I put the antenna on it already, and it comes with a 3000 milliamp battery, 8.4, waterproof servos. I know you guys probably know all about it, but I'm really excited. I had to share this unboxing with you guys. I'm very happy with it. I bought it off of a hobby shop here in Indianapolis. I paid altogether with taxes and everything, I think I paid like $240. I got the TRAXXAS for like $219.99. Then I had to buy that adapter, and it was $20. So I got like almost $250 in it. But I really like it, you guys. I was really excited when I bought it. I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. I don't want to make it too long, but like I said, I would take it out for a test run, but it's raining out, so I'll take it out tomorrow and try to do a video of it. I appreciate it, you guys. Thank you very much. I appreciate all my subscribers and everybody that comes to my channel and checks it out. I will go to yours. Take care, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and don't forget to be safe from this terrible virus that's going around. Have a good day.